everyone, it's Kristina from Kristina's Art Corner. I just wanted to give a little intro to this video. I have been coloring in my coloring books, but I was doing a page in my Color It Mandala page, book. I'll just show you it. It's for my completed pages in December, but we'll spoil it for now. So I did this one, and if you all know, if you've been around my channel, you know that I've sworn off mandalas in the past, but I started doing some and I'm enjoying them. So I started doing this one, and I did a little ink tints here. I'm gonna darken up a little bit, I think, with some polychromos here in the black area. But that's this page that I'm working on, and it made me, by the way, this is like supposed to be like an abstract northern lights with your galaxy. So anyway, I'm kind of playing with that in this book. But it got me thinking that I miss texture, I miss experimenting more. Not that I can't do them in my coloring books, but like, okay, for instance, I have this book. I got this from Amazon. Let me just show you. It was Dolly Parton and James Patterson, Run, Rose, Run. It was... I'm having trouble connecting. It was... I'll keep trying. And there's Amazon trying to connect on my tablet. So yeah, going real well so far. But anyway, it was a totally fake book. It has lined paper in it. It's not even the book. So totally got scammed on Amazon. Anyway, I reported it and all that good stuff. But I decided to make it a mixed media journal. And I started in the middle just so I could start flattening the book. And I've just taken masking tape and taped in between every couple of pages. Yeah. And then I just started out with this, and I did some gesso, I did some collage, a little bit of a light ink tints, a little gouache. Anyway, it's nothing now. It's in its messy stage, so I don't expect anyone to be impressed. But it just really got me wanting to do more of this along with my coloring. But I still want to find time, and it's been hard with the holidays between Thanksgiving and Christmas upcoming to be able to dedicate that time. But I thought today, let me go ahead and just do something free-flowing, and that's what I'm getting to. So I'm just going to clip this to my clipboard to keep that flat so I can work on that later. I got inspired by these lovely watercolors by Kuretake GANSAI TAMBI and the Himi gouache set. So let me put those away. Okay. So I went from the Tombow markers in the mandala book. Had been using a couple of Copics in my most recent pages. And so yeah, that's just kind of leading you into how this came about. And I've had this sketchbook. I did haul it a bit ago, and it's by Etchr, the perfect sketchbook. And so today I did my first page. And so I'm going to go ahead and let the video run. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. I hope that you have a wonderful time with your family. Take care. Happy coloring. Bye-bye.